Beneath shifting skies, scattered across remote continents, rise some of Earth's most ancient geological marvels, Tepuis and Table Mountains. These flat-topped plateaus are time capsules, forged over hundreds of millions of years, their vertical cliffs isolating unique worlds atop. Their summits, cut off from the world below, are home to plants and creatures found nowhere else, living relics from a primordial age. So dramatic is their isolation that Arthur Conan Doyle imagined dinosaurs and ancient secrets atop these landscapes in the lost world. Today we journey to 20 of the world's most remarkable Tepuis and Table Mountains, landscapes so extraordinary they seem to belong to another age. Mount Roraima stands as the crown jewel of Tepuis, straddling Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its colossal summit, shrouded in clouds, rises abruptly from the forest, like the prow of an ancient stone ship. Here, rain and wind sculpt stone pinnacles, labyrinthine valleys, and natural pools reflecting the sky. Roraima's isolation has nurtured endemic species, pitcher plants, tiny black frogs, and flowering shrubs found nowhere else. For local indigenous peoples, Roraima is sacred, a stairway to the gods. To scientists, it's a treasure trove of undiscovered life. Mount Roraima embodies the world's enduring mysteries, a place where reality rivals the wildest dreams. Auyán-tepui, one of the largest tepuis, rises from Venezuela's Gran Sabana like a stone citadel. Its vast plateau is the source of Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall, plunging nearly a kilometer into jungle. The summit is a highland moor, pocked with pools and fissures where insect-eating plants thrive. Legends among the Pemon people speak of spirits dwelling here, while scientists continue to discover new species. Auyán-tepui remains a realm of wonder, where the secrets of ancient Earth are written in stone and water. In the Venezuelan Amazon, Cerro rises like a solitary sentinel above the rainforest. More than a geological marvel, Autana is sacred to the Piaroa people, believed to be the stump of the world tree. Its sheer cliffs and summit caves shelter unique ecosystems, bromeliads, orchids, and bats in cool darkness. For the Piaroa, Autana is a revered bridge between earth and sky, where the material and spiritual worlds meet. Looming beside Mount Roraima, Mount Cucanan is a formidable, often overlooked tepui. Its sheer walls and cloud-wreathed summit are streaked with waterfalls that vanish into mist. The ascent is a challenge, but the summit reveals a fog-cloaked plateau where rare orchids and mosses thrive. Cucanan's isolation has fostered unique life, including rare amphibians and insects. Together with Roraima, Cucanan forms a landscape that feels both ancient and eternal, a gateway to forgotten realms. On Africa's southern tip, Table Mountain rises above Cape Town, a flat-topped sentinel overlooking city and sea. Its rocky plateau, reached by trails or cable car, is adorned with finbows, a unique vegetation found only in the Cape. Hundreds of flower species bloom, attracting sunbirds and sugarbirds, while dassies and tortoises roam the slopes. On clear days, views stretch across the city and Atlantic, making Table Mountain a symbol of hope and endurance. Here, nature and urban life meet atop an ancient plateau. Deep in Brazil lies Chapada Diamantina, a region of rugged Table Mountains, sheer cliffs, and hidden canyons. Rivers have carved deep gorges, creating waterfalls, caves, and iconic viewpoints like Morro do Pai Inácio. The Chapada is a biodiversity hotspot, home to endemic orchids, bromeliads, armadillos, and toucans. Its beauty is matched by history. Once the center of Brazil's diamond rush, its trails echo with stories of explorers. Chapada Diamantina is a land of contrasts, arid highlands, lush valleys, and living landscapes teeming with life. Above the Mediterranean island of Carpathos, Mount Zeus stands as a monumental tribute to uplift and time. This flat-topped peak, named for the king of Greek gods, dominates the skyline, its summit often wreathed in clouds. Its slopes are clad in pines, wildflowers, and aromatic herbs, while eagles soar above the wind-swept plateau. For millennia, Mount Zeus has inspired myths and legends, a constant reminder of nature's majesty. Climbing its trails offers breathtaking views of the Aegean and a glimpse into the timeless bond between land and story. In central Tanzania, the Rubeho Mountains rise in quiet grandeur, ancient quartzite plateaus shaped by centuries of rain and wind. Little known beyond their borders, the Rubeho Highlands are cloaked in misty forests, home to rare birds, chameleons, and butterflies. Isolation has bred remarkable diversity. Endemic frogs call from hidden streams, and elusive mammals slip through the undergrowth. For local communities, the Rubeho Mountains are a source of water and spiritual significance. For scientists, they are a frontier of discovery, where every expedition yields new wonders. In Australia, the Flinders Ranges conceal geological marvels of global significance. Burkina Gorge reveals nearly 1 billion years of rock layers, ancient seabeds uplifted into dramatic cliffs. Nearby, Wilpena Pound is a vast natural amphitheater, its rim encircling a broad, grassy basin. Kangaroos and emus roam, while wedge-tailed eagles soar above resilient outback flora. For the Adnyamathanha people, Wilpena Pound is a place of legend, a land where ancient stories are written in stone. Straddling Guinea, Liberia, and Côte d'Ivoire, Mount Nimba is a massif of ridges and plateaus crowned by tropical montane forest. Its slopes are so rich in life that the region is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a hotspot where rare creatures flourish. Among its most remarkable inhabitants are viviparous toads and elusive duikers, with orchids and ferns thriving in the forests. Mount Nimba is a testament to the power of isolation, where evolution takes unexpected paths. In Colombia's Amazon, Cerro Chiribiquete rises as a vast complex of over 60 tepuis, stone islands in a sea of rainforest. Its cliffs and summits are adorned with ancient rock art, depicting jaguars, shamanic figures, and scenes of ritual. The tepuis shelter rare monkeys, orchids, and frogs, preserved by the region's isolation. Today, Chiribiquete is a protected national park, a living archive of indigenous history and biodiversity. In Eswatini, Cibebe Rock rises as one of the world's largest exposed granite domes. Its smooth slopes, shaped over 3 billion years, invite hikers to panoramic views of valleys below. The granite's crevices shelter succulents, lizards, and sunbirds, while morning mists turn the dome silver and mysterious. For locals, Cibebe is a place of pride and legend, a gateway to Africa's ancient heart. Deep within Guyana, Mount Auyán-tepui is one of the most remote and least explored tepuis on Earth. Its untouched summit plateau is a haven for rare and undiscovered species, a natural laboratory for evolution. Botanists have found unique orchids and carnivorous plants, while herpetologists search for amphibians found nowhere else. For indigenous peoples, Auyán-tepui is sacred, a guardian of secrets and stories. For scientists, it promises new discoveries and insights into life on isolated mountaintops. In southern Venezuela, Cerro rises above the rainforest, its summit marked by enormous, mysterious sinkholes. These deep pits harbor isolated ecosystems, with unique plants and animals found nowhere else. The mountain's remoteness has preserved its secrets, making it a realm of myth and caution for the local Yekwana people. Sariñama reminds us that some mysteries are best approached with wonder and respect.